30th May, if you dey for Nigeria, sit at home abeg, make dem no kill you. Na why we dey support that idea. Sit at home. But if you dey outside Nigeria, join any group. This one no be about our group or their group. We are all one in this struggle.
I am Biafran. I am proud of being part of Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Today, I'm a proud Biafra.
So, I'm a proud Biafra.
Yeah, I'm Biafra and I'm so proud of it.
I am Biafran and I am proud.
Yes, my people, we don't come again today. The voice of Biafra, the person where they hear his voice, Nana Biken na day today na under special day. All of one na where they call. We time when I go do program, we time my brother make on a no verse because we day busy, we get busy schedule. It no day easy for us here because as we finish today na work, we will still work. And we get other things we full our hands. Now why sometimes you do when they call, we dey appreciate on a call. Today topic na about 30th May, Biafran Day. 30th May Biafran Day. In fact, the whole May na Biafran month. Na special month for all of us. No matter group where you belong, na special month. And they use this opportunity, they thank the people where they Canada, where do something great for I think 19th of this month, where everybody got the fight special thing where they do, not be just the Biafran Memorial Day or Biafran Day where they do, but as they carry $1,000 give every young man or young woman wey get admission into university so that they go encourage other people so that they go university. We thank una for what una do. I saw people wey do their own on 22nd. Una try, we see una crowd. Only say we come here say they kill 2 people. That one we go take and talk about that one. But we want concentrate on 30th May, wey be special day. The start because e be like say people no understand the meaning, the significance of the commemoration wey we dey do on 30th May. Because as we don't receive tens of calls wey people dey call. Some people even suggest say, oh, nobody should sit at home, nobody go do this, and if you do am now, this person go take glory, if you do am now, this group dey take. I dey tell them say no, Biafran Day no be about one person, no be about one group, na about every Biafran, na about every person wey love humanity, every person wey hate injustice. Na the day wey we go remember 3.5 million people wey Nigerian government, British government under Harold Wilson, Soviet Union, Egypt government, all of them put hand kill. And most of those people wey they kill, many of them they no give them befitting burial. Many of them nobody even know where they bury them. Na opportunity wey we go use remember all of them, the named ones and the unknown ones. People wey no get name, even the women wey dey pregnant, wey their children wey dey inside their belly dey kill them, those children, na we go remember that day. No be day wey we dey do ego, and na this group, this leader talk this one, and we no go follow this leader. No. Go and join people anywhere you dey. Anywhere you dey, any country you dey, that day celebrate and join people. Celebrate them. If you dey Nigeria, abeg sit at home. Sit at home because why we dey talk of sit at home? Make police or army wey dey happy when they see our people dey kill. We no wan make they kill anybody. Make it be day wey go just relax, entertain people to remember the people wey dey kill. Make it be day wey you go contact older people wey experience that war. Make them tell you stories, make them gather inside your houses, inside your compound, inside village square. Make una talk about that day and why the thing we fail and why we go succeed this time. Make it be period where we go listening to advice. Make it no come be period where this group go dey quarrel with this group. No. No matter group where you dey, that country where you live, anywhere where they gather, comot that time go gather. But if you no come get chance that day to go for join them gather, do am anywhere you dey. Do something special that day. If na your company where you dey work, if it be your dressing, we go Biafra. If you carry Biafra muffler, if you carry this flag, go. If they see even they ask, who waiting be this, you go tell them the story. If you stand up for 12 midnight, give a minute silence anywhere you, even if you dey drive, you park. Give a minute silence for those people where die. Those people where they kill for northern Nigeria. Those headless bodies where they bring back with the train. All the people where they murder, even as we run come here, they follow, come kill our people. Make we celebrate them. Make we also celebrate the heroes. The heroes of Abagana, the heroes of other places who been defend our land with their own blood. Who been starved themselves. Make we even use that day. Remember those women who been the cook. People who carry their last food, carry give our people, carry give the army officers, carry give them where they eat. Make we remember people where they eat lizard, where lizard come become their delicacy. Make we remember say these people sacrifice a lot for us. No, na special day. Make it also be day of education. Day of education. Make we educate. Because I understand say our people no know why they commemorate that day. Why they celebrate? Why they remember that day? People no understand. From all the phone calls we receive, I understand say they no. Now day we go educate the people. See what thing happen. See how this thing start. Because for Nigerian history, they won't turn our story upside down. No, we go tell them saying a lie. And not be about any group. And that's why I want to use opportunity beg. Now the pro-Biafran leaders where they command. Everybody must sit at home. Educate. Let's tell the people why it is important for them to sit at home. Make we use that day, tell the world anywhere where we gather. They tell the world, see now we be the Biafran people. Now we be those people where they won't walk out of face of earth. But we still there and we still the demand for our independence. We get saying for Igbo, onye banket in here. We no go keep quiet. If you keep quiet, you think you go lose your attention, people go collect them. So we go dey shout so that the world go know say these people still there. Because Armenians they remember their own day. The Jews they remember their own day. They call it Holocaust. The Rwandan people they no one forget. Why we go forget our own? Because if we forget our own, I be say we dey foolish. When you see this Holocaust where Jews they celebrate all over the world. Now 2005, 2006, when they started for UN, the only 2,000 and something people come and celebrate them. But today na millions. Now how we want the Biafran thing to be? No go they say, hey, now this leader, all that. No. Now all of us. Now all of us they do this Biafran thing. No be one person, no be one individual, no be one group. Now all of us. Because I dey hear say some people get their own day. Is if now me, because even for Holocaust, from the month of that, I think February, na activities. Make people where they in the country choose the day. Make it be day of seminar. Make it be day of education. Make we be day. Just choose what even the cultural dance, anything. Choose what thing una go do. Make we do am well. Make we do am well so that people go know say Biafra na divine mandate. Nobody. No human being, no even people will say they go. We see what in the herdsmen, Fulani herdsmen they do. Then they kill, they enter. But then go they surprised. Then go they surprised because nobody can destroy Biafra. Biafra has come to stay. So, and this thing, we are going to end down with this story because some people they say, now we they shout pass. Now we they struggle. No, everybody gets position where he gets. Everybody get talent where you get. This story of Biafra, Achebe, don't put that for libraries in the world. Even the White House Library, Parliament Library, for his last memoir when he writes. Chimamanda, even our sister when he writes Welcome to Lagos, he just put Biafran story there. Even Ogendibe, he put Biafran story. Our intellectual don't contribute. So anywhere you do, whether you dey civil service, whether you dey military, whether you dey police, you get activity where you go they do there to the support. You get one story where I go tell on and now before I end. When they do civil rights movement in America, when Malcolm X then they shout for street, they mobilize people, Martin Luther King Jr., many of these guys, He get one woman where they call Miriam Man or Miriam Man, I can't remember the surname. The woman there for the center of power when it comes to science and technology. Now then they call him NASA. Then he used to be NACA. That woman, the segregation there for NASA, where scientists were supposed to get sense day. They get segregation where black people they say for colored this side, white people this side, for the office, for the dining, even for the toilets. This woman any day, every day when come work, first what thing they do now go remove those signs. You go remove them through well. The following day when you go come, somebody don't replace her. She go still remove her. Next time he do am for months. Before you dey know, the person come dey replace her once a week. She too go dey remove her once a week. Before you dey know, the person come dey replace her once a month. She too go dey replace her once a month. Before you dey know, wetin happen? All the signs, this for black, this for colored, or this for white, and this, the whole sign disappeared from NASA. The NASA where they go moon, they go and all part of all the planet, all the aeronautic science where again NASA get everything. Racism. That was how this woman fought racism in NASA. One woman effort. She know the street they shout. She know carry gun. But for place where she did, she made sure she fought racism there. So question why they ask you a Biafran, wetin you dey do for where you dey? You like condition where you dey, where they know they give you promotion. You like am? Even though you no fit talk, carry that secret, bring am to us. Use your phone, record bad things where they happen, wetin they do against our people. Whether na for military, whether na for police, whether na for civil service, whether na for sea force, bring them out so that we go to expose these things. Fight for Biafra wherever you are, anyhow you want it to be. So that 30th May is very important. Meet with other people and celebrate that day. No be day where we supposed to miss. And I hear where I go stop today. I beg make una no to provoke because I know say some of una na provoke una they provoke. Una no want some people don't choose people where they go hear their voices. But here na truth we dey tell una. If for say Biafra na independent country today, this year for be I think 52 years. So na so we go dey do them every year until Biafra we go restore Biafra. Thank you my brothers and sisters for watching. Make una try to share this message to everybody. 30th May. If you dey for Nigeria, sit at home, I beg. Make they no kill you. Now why would they support that idea? Sit at home. But if you dey outside Nigeria, join any group. This one not be about our group or their group. We are all one in this struggle.
Ebeka unosi Biafra. Ebeka unosi Biafra. Gama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Agama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Biafra.